Campaign Manager walkthrough. Hey there, my friends. We are getting closer to showing you how to create your very first LinkedIn ad. But we want you to be as prepared as possible to do it on your own once you finish this course. So we are going to show you how to access and how to navigate LinkedIn's Campaign Manager first. The Campaign Manager is LinkedIn's own advertising dashboard, from where you will be able to check, manage, and create your LinkedIn ad campaigns the easy way. To access your Ads Manager from the LinkedIn homepage, you will simply have to click on the Work menu tab on the top bar menu, and then to click on the Advertise button. Then on the next page, you will simply have to click on the Create Ad button and sign in with your LinkedIn credentials if prompted to. You will be logged in to your Campaign Manager, and you will need to select from which ad account you will manage your Campaign Manager activity. You will simply have to click in your ad account's name on the Account Name section to select your advertising account. Now, one thing that you will notice about the Campaign Manager is that it is a pretty minimal advertising dashboard, designed to offer you a simplified experience. Let's take a look at what you find in the Campaign Manager's landing page, starting from top to bottom with the buttons and icons located in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking on your LinkedIn profile icon will allow you to go directly to your profile by clicking on the View Profile shortcut. The Sign Out text button will allow you to sign out of the Campaign Manager. The Manage Sponsored In-Mail Permissions option will allow you to check and manage which accounts or users have permission to manage in-mail sponsored content. The Go to LinkedIn.com shortcut will simply redirect you from your Campaign Manager to LinkedIn's homepage. Back on the Campaign Manager page, you can click on the Settings menu button to manage your ad account settings. You can click on the Edit Account Details option to check and manage ad account details such as the ad account's name. You can click on the Manage Access option to check and manage user access to your ad account. You can use the Options menu corresponding to an account to grant account privileges and roles. And you can click on Add User to Account to add additional users to manage, view, or edit content in your ad account. Now, there is a really interesting option available in the Settings menu called Set as Start Page. This option will allow you to set the Campaign Manager as your LinkedIn homepage. So instead of landing on the newsfeed after signing into LinkedIn, you will land on the Campaign Manager. You will simply have to click on the Set as Start Page option on the menu to allow this change. A notification will appear to let you know that your ad account dashboard has been set as your LinkedIn homepage. You can revert this change by simply clicking on the Remove as Start Page option on the Settings menu. The Billing History option will take you to your Billing History page, where you will be able to check your account activity by date, descriptions, payments or credits, amounts spent, and amounts due. From here, you will also be able to check your available credits, to check your payment receipts, and to add your payment methods. Lastly on the Settings menu is the Contact Settings option. By clicking on this option, you will be able to select or deselect what type of notifications you would like to be contacted about through your primary email address. Alright, so moving on to the next item on the top bar, and right beside the Settings menu is the Pages menu, where you will be able to check and select your ad accounts with one click. The ad account information on this page includes a company page that you are using to promote sponsored content and the ad account name. You can tick the checkbox corresponding to your ad account to get a full performance report of your advertising account by then clicking on the Download Report button. Also from this page, you will be able to add new ad accounts by clicking on the Add Account button. You will simply have to locate and select your company page on the Company Page field to name your new account in the Account Name field, to select the currency you will be using to pay for your campaigns in the Currency menu, and to click on Add Account to finish. Now back on the Campaign Manager's main page, you will find 3 tabs and 1 Display Menu tab. Let's start on the Campaign Performance tab. There are 2 subsections on this tab: the Time Series subsection tab and the Demographics subsection tab. Let's start on the Time Series subsection tab. In this section, you will find a detailed performance overview in graph form detailing number of conversions, number of leads, number of impressions, number of clicks, number of social actions, and ad spent over time. Now in the Demographics section, you will find demographic performance metrics that include impressions, clicks, click-through rates, conversions, and conversion rates. You can filter results from both sections using the drop-down menus above, and you can use the search by name bar to locate specific campaign metrics with keywords. And you can use the export button to download a campaign info that you can review later on your computer or from a print file. On the bottom of this page, you will find a campaign performance summary, detailing every performance metric per campaign, as well as a total number obtained on every metric. You will find metrics for every important element worth measuring on your campaigns, including performance, leads, conversions, social actions, and budget. Now in the Website Demographics tab, you will be able to get important demographic insights about your website audience. Please be aware that you will need to set up a tracking code called Insight Tag in order to get audience insights from your LinkedIn campaigns before you are able to see any data on this page. And we recommend you to contact a handy developer that can help you to do it the right way. Let's now hover over the Account Assets drop-down menu tab. Account assets are the elements that you set up, save, and optimize to later use on your advertising campaigns. LinkedIn advertising assets include your website tracking code, your audiences, and your lead generation form templates. Lastly, you can click on the Create Campaign button whenever you are ready to set up an advertising campaign. Once you click on the Create Campaign button, you will be able to select from 3 ad products. Selecting Sponsored Content will allow you to promote content with targeted native advertising. Selecting Text Ads will allow you to drive traffic from desktops with easy-to-create text ads. And selecting Sponsored InMail will allow you to send targeted messages directly to the people who matter the most to your business. We are going to show you how to create awesome LinkedIn ads with these options, starting with Sponsored Content ads in our next video. So make sure to tune in.